Have you ever worked with a marketing agency and ended up chasing unqualified leads that never turned into clients? Or you are confused hiring a marketing agency but unsure if the results will be guaranteed? Well, here's the solution. What if I tell you there's an agency that works with you, not just for you? An agency that focuses on connection and community building, not just forceful selling. And what if I told you this agency exclusively works with you, ensuring that there's no chance of your competitor taking your project away or undercutting your price? And it doesn't just end here. What if I told you there's an agency where you don't pay until you see results? Yes, you heard it right. Zero risk on your end. Welcome to Rise Roofers. My name is Faz and I am the founder at Rise Roofers, where we just don't talk about marketing, we talk about the ROI you get from marketing. Our approach is simple yet powerful. We use AI-based systems to place ads that spark meaningful conversation with your potential customers. This way, they know you before you even interact with them. They know when you will call, and most importantly, they provide genuine information so you don't waste your time chasing unanswered calls or unqualified leads. And there's more. We make sure that you are the go-to roofer in town. Locals see you at least 3 to 5 times a week, so they know you exist and trust your service. Our professional team specializes in building marketing funnels, creating communities, and driving growth exclusively for roofers. This allows you to work on your roofing business instead of working in it. Imagine a world where you no longer have to worry about where the next job is coming from, where you are recognized as the top roofer in town and you charge the price you deserve for your project. If you are a roofer who values growth and scalability and wants to be an essential part of your local community, schedule a 15-minute discovery meeting with us and let's see how we can help you rise above the competition. Be part of the Rise Roofers community and bring real ROI to your marketing efforts. Together, we will build a future where your business thrives and you achieve the success you have always envisioned.